welcome to the Brecon Beacons. It's the 1st of November and I thought I'd just get out and try and get a little autumn camp in. Winter's fast approaching and I've got some new winter kit which I need to test out. So I'm going to head up round the Horseshoe up near Penafan and Corndu for a little camp. About 2:45 now. It's a bit later than I'd hoped for because as the clocks went back the sun is going down fast and it gets dark about 4:30 or 5 o'clock. Right, let's go. Just coming up to the old pumping station. Now this used to manage the two little reservoirs, especially the upper Newhead, which has actually been drained now. I've actually been inside, it's really cool, but over the years it's got worse and worse and now it's just pretty unsafe to go in there. Just get this one big climb out the way and then we're on the top, and even though it's a gentle descent further up, this is the main one, and once we're on the top we'll be hit with the sunshine. That's the plan, and then it's all the way along the ridge to where I'm going to camp. About halfway up, just taking a little breather, just fingers crossed I can get to the top before the sun disappears. We should be okay. We'll be on the summit in 20 minutes, I think. Well, so far my new boots are pretty good. They are the Sportivas, and these are like a 3-stroke 4-season boot, and I have another pair of the Sportivas for my summer boot, which is more of an approach shoe. Yeah, I wanted to love my Scarpa boots and they were comfy when I first got them, but it's a bitch when you're out on the hills and you've got blisters and stuff. It just takes what is potentially a nice trip out into a not very nice one. So just down there is the upper Newhead reservoir, which is now empty, and it's just funny how the land has just reclaimed it. Oh, nearly at the top. Right, that is us. That's some sort of top. Just going to follow the ridge all the way around. There's Fan Big over there and Cribyn. The tent is set up. I just had to walk round to the bottom of Corndu to get some water. There's a tiny little trickle of a stream coming off the mountain. It's about 7 o'clock and the tent outside is already starting to looks like it's starting to freeze over. Right, good evening. I've just had my spicy noodles. And yeah, it was nice. It wasn't that spicy, could have done with a bit more flavour. And I'm just gonna have some rice pudding now for dessert. And so far I'm really impressed with this tent. As you probably know from watching my other videos, I've got Nordisk Telemark 2, and it's been amazing. To be honest, I've pushed it to its limits, I think. I mean, last year I took it out in some pretty harsh conditions, and it done brilliantly, but you know, it's best part of 400 quid for a tent, and I don't really want to break it. I've invested in a Terra Nova Voyager. Now it's a second-hand tent and it's an older version, which a lot of people say the old Terra Nova stuff is built to last. My old tent is 900 grams. This is 2.6 kilos, so it's extra weight, but it feels bomb-proof. In here, I mean, my tent flaps around and stuff like that, and you know that you're in a lightweight tent. This feels a solid tent, and I'm well impressed. So it's got really nice ports to cook in. Also my MSR stove, my Whisperlight, which is a white fuel stove, so basically you can use it in low temperatures and it's not going to freeze. My jet boil, again, I pushed it to the limits and it wasn't very good in, you know, -5 conditions. Right, I'm going to tuck into my rice pudding and I'll catch you in a moment. Right, good morning. And it's a very cold one this morning. It definitely was in the minuses because the outside of the tent is all kind of frosted over, and it looks like it's going to be a lovely sunrise this morning. Yeah, it's been pretty freezing. Hopefully now we want to see Alan's new YouTube channel.
Yeah, so I have got a YouTube channel.
Alan Coles 500px. Alan Coles.
Yeah.
On 500px. Go check it out, and hopefully we'll see him soon on some vlogs.
Nice to meet you.
And you. I'm going to head up to Penafan just to see the summit. Then I'm going to make my way around. I go up Cribyn and down onto the Roman Road and back down to the New Ed car park. The autumn, like the colours are just so amazing. It's definitely my favourite time of year, autumn. Like the temperature is nice, the colours are amazing, The only downside is that it gets dark very quickly. That's the only downside. But apart from that, when it's like this, the light is just amazing. Right, that's me back to the car. And what a really cool camp out that was. The last sort of half an hour, 45 minutes was pretty tough going. You know, my legs were starting to go a little bit. But I'm glad I've made it all the way around the horseshoe. And yeah, been really blessed with the weather. I met some really cool people. Met about 4 or 5 people that recognised me from YouTube, whether it was from our vans or the wild camping. So that was really cool. So if I did meet you and you watch this video, then hello, and yeah, lovely to see you. But thanks for coming along on a really cool little adventure. And you know, don't forget, any questions, you know, drop us a comment, give us a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.
Thank you for watching. Do let us know what you thought. If you'd like to see more, hit the subscribe button. Check out our other videos. Head over to our website. We've got a range of blogs that tell you more about us in Florence. Check out our new range of merchandise, helping us to continue producing our films.